Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Trent Limited. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Trent with a revised price target of Rs 2,150. Trent maintained its strong growth momentum in Q1 with year-on-year revenue growth of 54% versus low single-digit apparel industry growth affected by weak consumer demand. Like-for-like growth stood at 12%, which is ahead of peers who saw a decline or flat like-for-like during the quarter. Well-defined strategies with value offering will help Trent in maintaining double-digit like-for-like in the coming quarters. We expect Trent's revenue and PAT to grow at 33% and 61% CAGR respectively over FY23 to FY25 estimates, led by strong store expansion, sustained double-digit like-for-like growth in Westside, scale-up in emerging categories, and improved contribution from Zudio and Star businesses. Stock currently trades at 28.9 times FY24 estimates and 22.6 times FY25 estimated EV by EBITDA. Next on radar is HCL Technologies. Our analyst maintains buy on HCLTECH with an unchanged price target of Rs 1,265. Given the all-time high deal pipeline despite a soft Q1 owing to seasonal weakness. Seasonal weakness continued for HCLTECH in Q1 amid uncertainty as it reported sequential decline in revenue along with moderation in deal wins. However, the deal pipe stood at all-time high levels, growing 18% quarter-on-quarter and 26% year-on-year. Despite the challenging environment and soft Q1 results, management maintained its revenue growth guidance of 6 to 8% year-on-year in constant currency and expect EBIT margin to be at 18 to 19% for FY24 as deal pipeline remains strong and with key geographies continue to growing at healthy rates on year-on-year basis. We expect 5.3% sales and 7.3% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY25 estimates. We believe the stock continues to trade at reasonable valuation at 20.3 times its FY24 EPS and 18.2 times its FY25 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.